The issue here is very simple, that it is a political and an attempt to being made to create a clear communal conflagration.
No, my point is, where were by the other parties, why did not they raise the issue earlier?
It's obvious, it should be obvious to you, Charat. Your great-grandfather's name is being used for political reasons.
Why are great-grandfather's legacies so hidden? Well, unlike others, they are all celebrated or known. But why is our great-grandfather's legacy hidden?
Ask the question, Charat. Ask the question to all those people who suddenly have remembered Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh to create this crisis at the Aligarh Muslim University. Ask that question to them.
I say to them, better late. I say to BJP, better late than never. At least someone has woken up. But yes, again I add one point, that they should not celebrate the birthday in a place which is not appreciated by others.
Okay, couple of people want to come back into the debate. I saw Kamal Farooqi's hand go up there. Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi. Vivek Bansal first. Vivek Bansal. Vivek Bansal, one at a time. Vivek Bansal.
My submission is, why in a democracy we cannot hoist our wishes on someone, and this is at the point of pistol. Definitely we had been celebrating Raja Mahendra Pratap's birthday over there in Aligarh. People of Aligarh are a witness to it, and my just point of view that Raja Mahendra Pratap, the Aligarh University Mahmood Anglo Oriental College, came into existence in 1878. Raja Mahendra Pratap was born in 1876, and the donation is again a dispute that can be debated. But my point of view is, at the point of gun, you cannot force anybody. The next day I would ask that why Bharatiya Janata Party people, I would go to their office, that why aren't you celebrating the birth anniversary of late Rajiv Gandhi, birth anniversary of late Indira Gandhi? In democracy, people do things of their own volition. You don't have to disturb the academic atmosphere, because they are the modern temples and mosques and gurdwaras and churches of this 21st century.
Now I need to now present a few facts.
The future of the students of this country.
I will now argue this factually. I've heard the political arguments. I will now argue this factually. Kamal Farooqi, I'm coming to you. I'm going to argue this factually, and I'm going to reveal how there was this plot to communalize the situation. 1 minute, Sambit Patra. Point 1. Sambit Patra, pay attention to these facts. Point 1. The Vice Chancellor had a meeting with those planning the celebrations as well as those opposing them at his residence on 25th November. He gave a hearing to one side, he gave a hearing to the other side. Okay. The people who attended the meeting arrived at an agreement wherein the celebration was allowed to be held on a piece of land that had been leased by the Maharaja. Okay. So the wish to have the celebration, Sambit Patra, was granted, but still the BJP was not satisfied. After that, what did the BJP do? These BJP leaders then changed their position. Prem Shukla ji, देखिए अभी कैसे इसको expose किया जाता है. सुनिए. After that, the BJP leaders went back and they changed their position. Now they came back and they said, no, this meeting and celebration should be held on AMU property, Aligarh Muslim University property, and as per the Vice Chancellor's letter, they wanted to be inside the Aligarh Muslim University City High School, which despite being from a few kilometers from the AMU campus, is still AMU property that includes students. Now they said, no, we don't want this. We want a separate ground. We didn't want this separate ground allotted. We want it in another situation. Listen to this, Sambit Patra, how it gets revealed. The fact of the matter is that the Tikonia ground is also AMU property. So the Vice Chancellor had agreed, have the celebration on the Tikonia ground, which is AMU property, as per a Supreme Court judgment of 2003. The BJP said, no, it's not good enough. And then they started politicizing it. So Sambit, look at this, look at what you're arguing, so shallow your position is. They were allotted the Tikonia ground. Then they said, no, we want to hold it somewhere else. Lakshmikant Bajpai then said, aisa nahi hoga. He said, the day is not far, we will storm into the AMU campus and hold the celebrations inside the AMU campus. So you want to take this communal politics inside the AMU central campus despite alternative arrangements having been made.
Or now we are reading too much into all this.
I am not, I am presenting facts to you. This is the fact. And 1 minute, I have not completed. I have not completed. Please.
Let's not be very puerile in this.
Facts are not puerile. You're being puerile in not responding to them.
No, they are puerile.
These are facts.
Debating a topic.
These are facts.
Because I see.
Are these facts not relevant?
Of 21st century.
Kamal Farooqi, are these facts? What do the facts reveal? That there was a conspiracy to try and escalate the situation. Lakshmikant Vajpayee wanted to escalate the situation. I've just revealed it.
Second.
Don't call this a puerile argument.
Arnab,
Kamal Farooqui.
Arnab,
What he said
Arnab,
is puerile.
What is
Kamal Farooqui.
Arnab,
Kamal Farooqui, one at a time, Kamal Farooqui.
I want to add one more fact. I want to add one more fact. In the beginning itself, you said the honorable HRD minister said that she did not receive the message. I am being informed officially by the university officials that the email was sent at 8 p.m. last night. We have been hearing all this since
So why are
morning.
you all becoming
Why she is
ideological?
not taking any action?
Mr.
She says I didn't get the email till 12 o'clock.
What
today.
ideology? Listen.
don't do
You
this.
must answer this question
No, how
because
does
you
this-
are allowing, and this is
transparency
the
in the
same way
ministry?
which was done in Muradabad.
No,
This is the same way which was done in Muzaffarnagar.
That Mr.
Why he is trying to? Why they are trying to make a legal as the another vice? Why are you not? Why are you not
Okay.
responding to this?
No, Mr.
Why are you not
Farooqui,
responding to this?
I challenge you.
Kamal
to
Sahab,
how you
Kamal
can
Sahab,
spy into the ministry. How are you spying into the ministry, Mr. Farooqui? Who gave you the permission to spy into the ministry? Why were you
is
prying
not
into the private
spying.
property of
This is
ministry?
not spying.
This is
No,
absolutely
no, 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 no.
unconstitutional.
No,
Mr. Farooqui
Hey,
is
Baba,
trying to
your
do
minister has said right
inside
now.
the ministry.
Your
is
minister has
absolutely
said it
unconstitutional.
And I mentioned
Your
his name
minister
and
has
he
said-
delivered.
Come on,
This is
why-
all-
No, I
your
have objection
minister
to
has
this.
just now said
How
it.
come Mr. Farooqui knows what
Your
is happening
minister has
inside
said
the
that she has not
ministry?
received it by 9 p.m.
What do you, how?
So she will receive and she will give a structured reply.
minister
Why are
has
you-
herself said it, Baba.
No, why are you so worried? The minister will receive the letter and the minister will give a structured reply. Why are you so worried? Why are you in a hurry?
No, why?
already
Okay, so the question is this. One minute. No, 1 second, please.
It was sent
1
by
second.
email
Question
last
from
week,
me.
8 p.m.
Question from me. Listen to me. Can the minister? Now listen to me, Sambit. Please listen. Can the minister say, in our country, students come to universities to study. Campuses are meant for education. Campuses are not meant as hotbeds to create communal conflict. And therefore, Mr. Lakshmikant Vajpayee, can Smriti Irani say Lakshmikant Vajpayee और योगी आदित्यनाथ जी अपनी जो उत्तर प्रदेश की पॉलिटिक्स है उसको जरा ये यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस से बाहर ले जाइए. Can Smriti Irani say that?
इसमें कम्युनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का
No, tell me Arnav, how is celebrating a birthday equivalent to?
But I just told you, I gave you the facts, it was allowed, and I told you how it was, an attempt was made
No,
to.
no,
At
you are
crystal point
celebrating
you
the
ask-
birthday of.
I showed to you how an attempt was made to incite more trouble.
You say that celebrating this birthday was criminalized. I don't.
No, you are not
understand
listening
how-
to me. Listen to me. You are trying to create trouble. No, one second. I'm now repeating myself. Sambit Patra is going on and on. Before I come to the next person.
चीज हो गई
No, I am not going on and on.
राजा पर नमाज नहीं पढ़ी जाएगी इसके कारण
अर्नव, मैं कुछ यहाँ पे कहना चाहता हूँ। अर्नव,
क्या करेंगे आप देश में क्या कराना चाहते हैं
मैं आप सुनिए, आप क्या कराना चाहते हैं प्रकाश शर्मा जी? आप क्या कराना चाहते हैं?
नहीं हम कुछ नहीं हम ये चाहते हैं
आप क्या चाहते हैं?
सद्भाव बना रहे
लोग ये सद्भाव बढ़ता है, ये इस तरह से सद्भाव बढ़ता है लोगों में. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ इस देश में 301 मिनट, एक सुनिए मेरी बात, प्लीज 1 मिनट सुनिए. मैं आपसे एक बात कह रहा हूँ. Prakash Sharma, now I want to say one thing. Please, Prakash Sharma, one second. I just want to make one point. I'm telling you, I have a bad throat today. Bear with me. My question is, 3,000. अरे सुनिए प्लीज, आप
प्रश्न आप खड़ा
ये प्रॉब्लम आपकी बात है कि आप सुनते नहीं है प्रकाश जी. आप ऐसे युकान को, आप मेरी बात तो सुनिए, एक दूसरी आर्गुमेंट सुनिए. लोग हैं इधर जो आज कहते हैं, मेरी बात सुनिए, हमें नौकरी चाहिए, हमें गरीब नहीं रहना है, हमें सड़क चाहिए, हमें आमदनी के उपाय चाहिए, हमको देश को आगे लेके जाना है. और इस देश में आज भी 3,630 लाख लोग ऐसे हैं, 3,630 लाख लोग ऐसे हैं जो आज भी गरीबी रेखा के नीचे है, 3,630
आप
lakh
मेरी बात
people who are
सुनिए।
below the poverty line.
अभी-
Now,
अभी-
tell me,
अभी-
my question is
आप मेरी
how
बात
do
सुन
these
लीजिए।
people benefit?
आप
Tell
मेरी
me,
बात
how do
सुन
these
लीजिए।
people benefit? How do these people benefit if there's a communal tension?
महिषासुर दिवस मनाया गया था।
अरे please,
तब क्या गरीबी
don't go
खत्म हो
on.
गई
You
थी?
just want
तब
this
क्या लोगों को
Hindu-Muslim
रोजगार
divide and
मिल
all
गया
that. You
था?
know,
तब
Sudhindra
आप
Bhadoria,
कहाँ थे?
please, Sudhindra Bhadoria, Sudhindra
उस दिन
Bhadoria.
आपका चैनल कहाँ था?
Sudhindra Bhadoria,
उस दिन आपकी
हमारी चैनल सब
पत्रकारिता
कुछ कवर
कहाँ
करती है,
थी?
आपसे सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है. One minute, Sudhindra Bhadoria.
नहीं, उस समय आपकी पत्रकारिता कहाँ थी?
अरे please.
Arnab Goswami, let me tell you,
सुन लीजिए प्लीज, प्रकाश जी सुन लीजिए, अभी सुधींद्र भदौरिया बोल रहे हैं कुछ.
तब आप कहाँ थे?
when he got
आप जवाब नहीं दे
elected,
सकते।
1 second, please. Raja Mahendra Pratap was one of the greatest sons
His birthday
this
should
country
not be
ever
celebrated.
produced. He used to live in 105 South Avenue. Every day he had prayers where Bible,
One minute.
Quran, Guru Granth Sahib, Gita, every day recitals took place over there. You are trying to project him as a Hindu Raja. He was not a Hindu Raja. He was a great freedom fighter and he belonged to all religious communities. And he had a larger family
And
and
tomorrow,
all Indians were
no,
part of
one
his
minute,
family.
1 minute. I ask one more question today. I want to ask one more question. One of the greatest ever Indians, Shahid
Why
Bhagat
are
Singh.
you also agitating?
1 minute, listen to me please.
Till now.
Shahid Bhagat Singh, like Raja Mahendra Singh, influenced by leftist ideologies, gave up his life for the country when he was in his early 20s. Tomorrow will you say Shahid Bhagat Singh was a Hindu icon? Answer me.
But who is saying?
No,
Hindu
this
and
is
Muslim?
what the problem.
Hindu
Everybody is
Muslim
not a Hindu or a
It is
Muslim.
you are
There is an
doing
Indian
that.
identity
No,
in
no,
this
no.
country. You can't do
Who is
this.
bringing Hindu Muslim
Was
identity?
Shahid Bhagat Singh? Shahid Bhagat
No,
Singh
you
is an
are
Indian
doing
icon.
it. You are.
Raja Mahendra Singh
You
is
are
therefore an
doing
Indian
Hindu-Muslim
icon.
business.
He is an Indian
You
icon. He is not a Hindu or a Muslim
blasphemous.
icon.
It is blasphemous. It is blasphemous when people like all in the panel today are trying to portray him as a Hindu Raja. Who is saying that he's a Hindu Raja? We are saying
You
that
did
he's a
hear- you
You are
did
trying to portray him as a Hindu Raja. You are trying to.
As a freedom
One second,
fighter, he
who's-
should be respected. But you are saying that freedom
Vivek
fighters'
Bansal.
birth anniversary should not be commemorated.
I am
Just
saying
because they are
celebrate it, but don't give it a political spin. For God's sake, rise above politics. राजनीति से ऊपर बढ़कर भी देश के बारे में सोचिए. Vivek Bansal.
Yeah.
That you tell Vivek Bansal.
My point of view is you are just constantly
You
talking
don't
about
have a point
that.
of view. You have a
that-
wrong point of view,
No,
Mr.
no,
Bansal.
you are
trying to
not,
criminalize the whole
I am
issue.
not going to
Who
be
said
guided by
you are
you
trying to
that my
demean the
point of view is
Muslim
wrong or right.
University.
But
When
let
you
me
say
tell you, gentlemen,
Aligarh
let me
Muslim
tell you,
University
please
should not
listen to
celebrate
me.
the birthday of a person belonging to a particular community.
Don't
Demeaning the educational
try to,
institution, Mr. Bansal. Rise above petty politics.
He is not letting me. Don't try to derail the agenda of Mr. Narendra Modi.
We will not let you speak
according
also.
in
You have
what
been
he
dividing
said on
this
the
country for
15th of
60 long
August.
years.
He
We
is
will not
talking
allow
about
you to divide
inclusive
this country
politics.
for long.
But you are trying to
Now
create a
it is-
communal
now
divide in
we
this
have come
country.
to the path.
You are
We will
trying
not
to do
allow
things
Congress
in
to
a
play that
fascist
kind of
manner.
politics.
In a fascist manner, you are trying to hoist your wishes on the on educational institutions.
They have
Don't try to
They have come in
saffronize
the two colours.
education. Don't try to saffronize education. Don't try to saffronize history like the way you have appointed director of ICHR Bhaskar Rao, who tries to justify history in the light of Mahabharata. So please, for
secular person.
so
Celebrating
don't,
birthday
no,
of
so you should celebrate. You
How
should
is it
celebrate,
custom? Tell me,
but
what
you
is the definition of
cannot
fascism
at the
according to
point of
My
that.
question is,
But you cannot
my question is,
somebody to
my
celebrate.
question is broader. My question is broader. Gentlemen, just step back 2 minutes from this debate. Watch, Sambit, just step back. Step back, Jambit. Sambit, step back. Sambit, a minute, please. Sambit, a minute, please. A minute, please. Just 1 minute, please, Sambit. Just 1 minute. Listen, Mr. Patra.
Truth today.
Listen, Mr. Patra. Okay, listen now, please. I am asking a broader question. Just step back for 2 minutes. Step back for 2 minutes. And say that today in the campus of Aligarh Muslim University and Banaras Hindu University and Delhi University and Calcutta University and every university in the country, there is a generation of Indians who is getting educated. This is the next generation. And don't forget, Sambit, that your generation and my generation, your generation and my generation was scarred because campuses were divided first on the basis of caste and then on the basis of religion. We don't forget what the impact of Mandal and Babri Masjid was for your generation and my generation. I am asking a basic question tonight. You may be a BJP supporter, Congress supporter, leftist. My question is very simple. You want this generation also to be scarred all over again? And if this generation is scarred all over again, I'm asking you, who is going to benefit? 1.3 million children in this country die of malnutrition. Are they more important, or is the communal crisis more important? More than 360 million Indians are under the poverty line. Are they more important, or is the communal crisis more important? Why don't you stop these Lakshmikant Bajpayee type of people? Stop them. Stop all people who want to communalize the situation today. Whether it is people like Shahi Imam on the one side or Lakshmikant Bajpayee on the other. Don't allow anyone.
You have bared your emotions.
Don't allow anyone.
Also to bear my emotions.
Don't make light of what I said, Sambit Patra. Don't make light of what I said. Don't make light of what I said. I made a very serious observation. I'm sure viewers understand what I'm saying.
I respect your sentiments, but you have to allow me to complete my portion also. Allow me to complete my portion. I just say one thing today, Arnab. In this 21st century, how
Well,
is it
you
that
have come in your true colours,
birthday can scar the secular fabric of this country? Are we not demeaning?
You know something, I'll remember one thing. Remember one thing. Remember one thing. Remember one thing. Don't make, no, 1 second. 1 minute.
Celebrate the birthday of a king who is supposedly Hindu.
Oh God,
will
you know,
scar the nation.
Hindu. That's all you want
No,
to do.
how
all the
is
time.
everyone?
I'm asking you, Shahid Bhagat Singh was an Indian, not a Hindu or a Muslim, first an Indian.
Everyone says that he has contributed to the society.
Yeah, so where were you for 128 years, Mr. Patra? What were you doing? You were Rip and Winkle. For 120 years या कहाँ थे 128 साल से? अभी जो याद आ गई आपको उत्तर प्रदेश के इलेक्शन के पहले? You want to use these people for the UP elections?
We were not there in BJP was formed in 1980.
Really, BJP was not there.
1980.
BJP was not there. You're saying BJP was not there for the last 30 years?
128 years ago, BJP was not there.
Jansangh was not there for the last
128 years
over
ago.
50 years.
Get your history right. All the panelists should
History
get their history right.
comments,
BJP was
counter
not there
questions.
128 years ago.
Counter questions, Maulana Kazmi, Delhi studio, please. Delhi studio, Maulana Kazmi.
Arnab ji, you raised very important point of our country's poverty, and so many people are dying, starving. My question to Prime Minister, and I would appeal, I would like to ask Mr.
People are
Sambit
dying,
Patra.
starving. That is why we have Mr. Modi as the Prime Minister.
But you are doing nothing. You are doing nothing.
On Mr. Modi.
Your government's words
that does not
are
mean we
only
should not
words.
commemorate
It
the
is
birth
only
anniversary
just
of
you
Mahatma
are doing
Gandhi.
lip service.
That does not mean we should
Where
not
is-
remember
where is
Nehru.
black money?
That does not mean that
Where
we
is
should not
black
remember-
money?
We should not
Where is
remember
black
Shama
money?
Prasad Mukherjee.
Where
We
is
should
black
remember
money?
these great people.
The
We should
Indian
remember
people,
Mr. Vivekananda also.
Indian
We should
people
remember
problem
Nehru
are as it is used to
Swami
be.
Vivekanand,
More than
1 minute, no, 1 second, one minute. Swami Vivekanand was the first an Indian. Shahid Bhagat Singh was first an Indian. Raja Mahendra Pratap was first an Indian.
To power.
Mahatma Gandhi was first an Indian. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was first an Indian. Don't do this politics and communal game on everything. Now,
He said
1 second.
Sabka Vikas, but some people from his
Okay, now
party
please, gentlemen, please listen to me. 2 minutes into the debate. 2 minutes into the debate. 2 minutes into the debate. Prem Shukla coming back to the debate, and I want to go to Syed Asim Wakar.
I will like to appeal Narendra Modi ji to warn such elements because they are defaming
Syed Asim Wakar.
him and his government.
वकर जी, आपकी सरकार कहाँ है इस सबके बीच में? आपकी सरकार तो you seem to be
बहुत देर से कुछ कहने की कोशिश कर रहा था, लेकिन मुझे मौका नहीं मिला। देखिए, ये जो हरकतें हो रही हैं, मुझे लगता है, मुझे यकीन है कि इनके प्रधानमंत्री और इनके राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष की मंशा इसमें शामिल है। ये उत्तर प्रदेश में सांप्रदायिक तनाव बनाना चाहते हैं। दूसरी बात, अभी जो आपने शुरू में चलाया था, इनके एक योगी आदित्यनाथ नाम के सांसद हैं, उनकी जानकारी बढ़वा दीजिए। उन्होंने स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि अगर राजा साहब जमीन न देते तो अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी बन ही ना पाती। 1877 में इसकी बुनियाद पड़ी थी एक स्कूल के तौर पर, मोहम्मदन एंग्लो कॉलेज के नाम से इसको जाना जाता, मोहम्मदन एंग्लो ओरिएंटल कॉलेज के नाम से। और 1920 में ये यूनिवर्सिटी बनी है, जिसमें 467.6 6 हेक्टेयर जमीन है, जिसमें 1 कुछ एकड़ जमीन राजा साहब ने दी है। मैं इस बात का एतराज करता हूं कि इनके सांसदों को न तो इतिहास की जानकारी है, न भूगोल की जानकारी है, और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ लाशों की राजनीति करना चाहते हैं। ये अपनी सरसत में बात आ जाए।
प्रेम शुक्ला क्लोजिंग इन 1 मिनट। प्रेम शुक्ला कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपको? प्रेम शुक्ला जी प्लीज कहिए।
ये देखिए, एक बहुत सीधी सी बात है। आप कह रहे हैं कि एक सेकुलर व्यक्तित्व, राजा महेंद्र सिंह सेकुलर व्यक्तित्व है, जिनको आप कमजोर होने का चार्ज कर रहे हो सेकुलर प्रेमाइसिस में। अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी सेकुलर प्रेमाइस है, वहां पर एक सेकुलर व्यक्ति के बारे में अभी मान लीजिए आज ज्ञान हो गया कि महान व्यक्ति थे और मैं सेलिब्रेट करना चाहूं, तो आपके सेकुलरिज्म की दुकान को खतरा कैसे हो जाता है? आपने पेटेंट करा रखा है क्या? कांग्रेस को खतरा, बसपा को खतरा, सपा को खतरा क्यों हो जाता है? ये सबसे बड़ी सांप्रदायिकता है।
इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहूंगा, देश में बहुत चीजों की जरूरत है, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। देश में बहुत जरूरत है। देयर आर 12.66 मिलियन चिल्ड्रन हु आर चाइल्ड लेबरर्स। आई थिंक इफ लक्ष्मीकांत वाजपेयी अगर कहते today if Lakshmikant Vajpayee would have said I will save children from child labor, more people would support him than if he were to say I will communalize the situation. This question goes to all of you tonight. Does India need any communal crisis? This question goes to you tonight. Do you want a communal crisis to happen in this country? And this question goes to you tonight. If you fear that some politicians in this country are trying to create an artificial communal crisis, what are you doing against it? How are you raising your voice? I thank everyone for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.